Hello, we have this reaction and it is a redox reaction. So one of these days I'll try to teach about balancing of redox reaction, how to do it. But now let's try to answer this question. It says, which of these substances serves as an oxidizing agent? So before we will solve this question, let's try to remember this oil rig. So O means oxidation, R means what? Reduction. So according to electron transfer, oxidation is loss of electrons, then reduction is gain of electrons. So what since I'm trying to ask us to identify the one that is the oxidizing agent. Okay, let's use the idea of oxidation number. So in oxidation number increases, while in reduction, oxidation number decreases. In oxidation, the one undergoing oxidation is called the reducing agent, while the one undergoing reduction is called the what? Oxidizing agent. What does it tell you? It means that the reducing agent, its oxidation number tend to increase during a redox reaction. Then the oxidizing agent, its oxidation number tend to what? Decrease during a what? Redox reaction. So oxidizing agent, its oxidation number, listen to me, oxidizing agent, its oxidation number what? Decreases during a redox reaction. Then this oxidizing agent is being what? Reduced. Do you understand? So these two things I've said now, these last two things I've said now, we use it to find the answer to this question. Let's go. Then watch. The one we are to consider is this one, two. This hydrogen ion we will not consider it. Do you know why? Don't worry, when I will teach about it, you see why. During the reaction, normally when it has not been balanced, there was no hydrogen what? Hydrogen ion here. It was when they were trying to balance this oxygen that they introduced this water in the product side. You understand? Then when they introduce the water, you see that while introducing water, hydrogen has come into the reaction. Therefore, they have to what? They had to bring in hydrogen ion in order to balance hydrogen. Do you understand? So we have to consider only this one, two. So first of all, let's consider this one, this chloride ion. Let's know whether it is the oxidizing agent. Now, when we are considering chloride ion, you should relate it to this chlorine gas. Now, since we are trying to take decrease and increase in oxidation number to find out the oxidizing agent, let's check for the oxidation number. Now, what's the oxidation number of this chloride ion? You can see Cl minus. So this minus means that the oxidation number of this chloride ion is what? Is -1. Then let's go here. What's the oxidation number of this chlorine gas? This chlorine gas is its oxidation number is 0. Do you know why? One of the rules of finding oxidation number is that oxidation number of a normal element, do you understand, of a normal element, of a neutral atom is 0. So this is just like a that normal element, neutral atom, so it is what? 0. Now watch. During the reaction, the oxidation number of chloride ion is -1. Then after the reaction, the oxidation number of chlorine gas is now 0. Did the oxidation number increase or decrease? From -1 to 0, it increased. It increased, right? So since it increased, what are we going to say? What happened? Oxidation happened, right? Oxidation occurred. Now, which of is it reducing agent that undergoes oxidation or oxidizing agent? It is reducing agent, right? So since it is reducing agent, chloride ion is the reducing what? Agent. Therefore, it is not our answer because its oxidation number what? Increased from -1 to 0. Now let's consider the last one, which says tetrosome manganate 4, tetrosome manganate 7 ion. Now, if you can listen to me, tetrosome manganate 7, it means that the oxidation number of manganese here is what? +7. Then when we are talking about this one, we should equally relate it to this one that has something to do with it. Now, what's the oxidation number of manganese here? It is +2, right? Now, during the reaction, initially, the oxidation number of manganese is +7. Now, after the reaction, its oxidation number is now +2. What happened? Did it increase or decrease? It decreased, right? Very good. It means that reduction has occurred. And if you can listen to what I said earlier, I said that the one that undergoes reduction is the oxidizing agent, and it is the one whose oxidation number does what? Decreases. Therefore, our answer should be tetroso MnO4 minus, which is what? tetraozo tetraozo manganate what 7 ion, that it is what, and which is the oxidizing what agent. I hope you learned something. Have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Courses Academy. Bye bye.